Just on a stroll through the countryside, just outside of Saigon. So we're stopping for some iced coffee, and somebody just brought in a couple of fresh frogs. Breakfast for somebody. Pretty beautiful. All right, what are we gonna do here? Water buffalo. Is that a water buffalo or? He's not happy. Oh boy. Ooh, he looks a little angry. All right, who's gonna go next? Oh boy, he does not look happy. Okay. Hit it. Oh boy. Coming out. Go, go, go. Go before they're not happy. But I gotta turn around. Wrong way. Off of the ferry. I'm gonna do this with one hand. Hope I don't drop my phone. All right. There's a bunch of people ready for the next ferry.